Marhaba, welcome to the Maldives. Today we are presenting you with the exclusive drone footage from the Maldives. My name is Dr. Srimal Fernando and I'm joined by Abdul Hafeez from the Addu Atoll. There's so much variation in this geography. Ha Atoll is the northern tip of the Maldives and Addu, the heart-shaped atoll, also known as Sinu, lies on the southern tip of the Maldives. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive journey to some of the islands close by to Sinu Atoll. Hope you enjoy this footage and thank you so much.